Welcome to Brain Waves. In this video, we'll be exploring the fascinating concept of Turing machines. A Turing machine, named after the brilliant mathematician Alan Turing, is a theoretical device that can simulate any algorithmic process. It represents the fundamental building block of modern computers and forms the basis of our understanding of computation. So, what exactly is a Turing machine, and why is it so important in the field of computer science? Let's find out. Welcome back. In this segment, we'll explore the origins and significance of Turing machines. Developed by the brilliant mathematician Alan Turing in the 1930s, Turing machines were born out of an effort to understand the limits of computation. Turing machines played a pivotal role in the foundation of computer science, providing a theoretical framework for evaluating the computability of problems. Their significance lies in their ability to simulate any algorithmic process, establishing the idea of a universal computing machine. Let's dive deeper into the origins and explore why Turing machines are so crucial in the field of computer science. Welcome back. In this segment, we'll take a closer look at the components of Turing machines. A Turing machine consists of three main components: the tape, the head, and the state register. The tape is divided into cells, each capable of storing a symbol. The head, controlled by the state register, can read and write symbols on the tape. The state register holds the current state of the Turing machine, which determines its behavior. These components work together in a synchronized manner, allowing the Turing machine to process information and perform computations. Let's delve deeper into the inner workings of these crucial components. Welcome back. In this segment, we'll explore the relationship between Turing machines and computability. Turing machines are closely tied to the concept of computability, which refers to the ability to solve a problem using an algorithmic approach. Alan Turing introduced the concept of Turing completeness, which states that a system or language is Turing complete if it can simulate a Turing machine. This means that any problem that can be computed algorithmically can be solved using a Turing machine. The concept of Turing completeness has had a profound impact on the field of computer science, as it provides a theoretical foundation for understanding the limits of computation and the solvability of various problems. Let's further examine the intricate relationship between Turing machines and the concept of computability. Welcome back. In this segment, we will introduce you to the components of a Turing machine. A Turing machine is composed of several essential elements that work together harmoniously. These components include the tape, the head, the state register, and the transition function. The tape can be thought of as an infinite strip divided into individual cells, each capable of storing a symbol. The head, controlled by the transition function, can read and write symbols on the tape, while the state register maintains the current state of the machine. These components, along with the transition function, enable the Turing machine to perform computations and solve problems. Let's delve deeper into each of these components and their roles in a Turing machine. Welcome back. In this segment, we will delve into a deeper understanding of the tape, head, and state register in a Turing machine. The tape of a Turing machine is like a long strip of paper, divided into individual cells. Each cell can hold a symbol, which can be read and written by the head. The head is a device that moves along the tape, reading the symbols and executing actions based on the current state. The state register, also known as the control unit, stores the current state of the Turing machine. It determines the behavior of the machine, such as which symbol to write, which direction to move, and which state to transition to. These components work together harmoniously, allowing the Turing machine to process information and perform computations. Let's explore the inner workings of the tape, head, and state register in more detail. Welcome back. In this segment, we will explore the role of the transition function in a Turing machine. The transition function is a fundamental part of a Turing machine as it dictates the behavior of the machine based on the current state and symbol being read. It specifies the next state to transition to, the symbol to write on the tape, and the direction in which the head should move. Essentially, it defines the rules or instructions that govern the Turing machine's computation. The transition function allows the Turing machine to change states, read and write symbols, and traverse the tape. Without the transition function, a Turing machine would not be able to carry out its computations. It is this powerful mechanism that enables the Turing machine to solve a wide range of problems. Let's dive deeper into the intricacies of the transition function and its significance in a Turing machine. Welcome back. In this segment, we will explore the first step in the working of a Turing machine, which involves reading and writing symbols on the tape. The tape of a Turing machine is divided into cells, and each cell can hold a symbol from a predefined set. When the Turing machine is in a particular state, the head reads the symbol present on the current cell. Based on the current state and the symbol read, the Turing machine determines the action to perform, such as writing a new symbol on the current cell or leaving it unchanged. This process of reading and writing symbols allows the Turing machine to process information and modify the tape as it performs its computations. Let's delve deeper into the intricacies of reading and writing symbols on the tape. Welcome back. In this segment, we will explore the second step in the working of a Turing machine, which involves transitioning between states. The state of a Turing machine defines its current configuration and determines its behavior. Based on the current state and the symbol being read, the Turing machine uses the transition function to decide the next state it should transition to. The transition function also specifies the symbol to write on the tape and the direction in which the head should move. By transitioning between states, the Turing machine can execute a series of actions and progress through the computation. This mechanism allows the Turing machine to dynamically adapt and respond to different inputs and conditions. Let's delve deeper into the intricacies of transitioning between states in a Turing machine. Welcome back. In this segment, we will explore the step-by-step process of how a Turing machine functions, integrating the reading of symbols on the tape and transitioning between states. The process begins with the Turing machine reading the symbol on the current tape cell using the head. Based on the current state and the symbol read, the transition function determines the action to perform. This action typically involves writing a new symbol on the current cell, moving the head to the left or right, and transitioning to a new state. The Turing machine repeats this process, iteratively reading symbols, performing actions, and transitioning between states until it reaches a designated halting state. This step-by-step process enables the Turing machine to solve problems and compute results. Let's explore the intricate details of the step-by-step process of a Turing machine. Welcome back. In this segment, we will explore an example of a Turing machine that performs addition. The Turing machine for addition takes two input numbers represented on the tape and produces their sum as the output. The machine starts by scanning the first number, digit by digit, and moving towards the right. It then reaches the end of the first number and moves back to the leftmost digit. Next, it moves to the right, scanning the second number digit by digit. As it scans the second number, the machine performs the addition by incrementing the corresponding digit of the first number and carrying over any necessary digits. Once the second number has been scanned entirely, the Turing machine halts and outputs the results stored on the tape. This example showcases the power and versatility of Turing machines in solving computational problems. Let's dive deeper into the intricacies of the Turing machine for addition. Welcome back. In this segment, we will explore an example of a Turing machine that performs multiplication. The Turing machine for multiplication takes two input numbers represented on the tape and produces their product as the output. Similar to the Turing machine for addition, the machine scans both numbers digit by digit, moving towards the right. As it scans the first number, it multiplies each digit by the corresponding digit of the second number, keeping track of any carries necessary. The machine then moves to the right and writes the partial product on the tape. It continues this process until it reaches the end of the second number. Finally, the Turing machine halts and outputs the product stored on the tape. This example demonstrates the capabilities of Turing machines in solving complex computational problems. Let's dive deeper into the intricacies of the Turing machine for multiplication. Welcome back. In this segment, we will explore an example of a Turing machine that performs language recognition. Turing machines can be used to recognize and process different types of languages. Language recognition refers to the ability of a Turing machine to determine whether a given string belongs to a specific language or not. For example, consider a Turing machine designed to recognize a language where all strings consist of an equal number of zeros and ones. The machine processes the input string on the tape, moving from left to right. It keeps track of the number of zeros and ones encountered, ensuring that they are equal. If the counts match, the Turing machine accepts the string as a valid member of the language, and if not, it rejects the string. This example demonstrates how Turing machines can be employed to solve problems related to language recognition. Let's delve deeper into the intricacies of Turing machines used for language recognition. Welcome back. In this segment, we will explore the limitations of Turing machines, specifically focusing on undecidable problems. Undecidable problems are computational problems that cannot be solved by a Turing machine. These are problems for which there is no algorithm that can determine the correct answer for all possible inputs. One famous example of an undecidable problem is the halting problem, which asks whether a given Turing machine will halt, or finish, on a specific input or continue running indefinitely. It has been proved that no general algorithm can solve the halting problem for all possible Turing machines and inputs. This highlights the inherent limitations of Turing machines in solving certain types of problems. Undecidable problems demonstrate the complexity and boundaries of computation. Let's dive deeper into the intricacies of undecidable problems and their significance in the realm of Turing machines. Welcome back. In this segment, we will explore the concept of the halting problem, which is a prominent example of an undecidable problem in the realm of Turing machines. The halting problem asks whether a given Turing machine will eventually halt, terminate, or whether it will run indefinitely for a specific input. Alan Turing himself proved that there is no algorithm that can solve the halting problem for all possible Turing machines and inputs. This means that there is no way to determine, in general, whether a given Turing machine will halt or not. The proof of the halting problem's undecidability has significant implications, showcasing the inherent limitations of Turing machines. It implies that there are fundamental questions about computation that cannot be answered by any algorithm or machine. The halting problem serves as a fundamental cornerstone in the understanding of computational limits. Let's delve deeper into the intricacies of the halting problem and its impact on the capabilities of Turing machines. Welcome back. In this segment, we will explore the concept of computational complexity, which is another important limitation of Turing machines. Computational complexity refers to the amount of time and resources required by a Turing machine to solve a specific problem. Some problems may have solutions that can be found quickly and efficiently, while others may require an extensive amount of time and resources to solve. The study of computational complexity aims to understand and categorize the efficiency of algorithms and the inherent difficulty of solving different types of problems. Turing machines provide a theoretical framework for analyzing computational complexity and classifying problems into different complexity classes, such as P, problems that are efficiently solvable, and NP, problems that may not have efficient solutions but can be verified quickly. Computational complexity helps us understand the inherent limits of computation and the trade-offs between time and resources in solving problems. Let's dive deeper into the intricacies of computational complexity and its significance in the context of Turing machines. And there you have it. We've explored the concept of Turing machines, their components, working, examples, and limitations. Turing machines have revolutionized the way we think about computation and have laid the foundation for modern computers and algorithms. They demonstrate the power and limitations of what can be computed. From simple arithmetic calculations to solving complex computational problems, Turing machines have shown their versatility and significance in the world of computer science. By understanding Turing machines, we gain a deeper insight into the possibilities and constraints of computation. We hope you found this video informative and intriguing. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Turing machines.